Hi, I am Adil from Adilution, dash of streamline solution. Today we will explore the key component of Excel interface. The Excel interface is the gateway of powerful world of a spreadsheet. When you open Excel for the first time, the interface will look something like this. And now we are going to explore all its components one by one. So let's start. uh, Items under this square box is called quick access toolbar. Then this is the title bar. This is the file extension and the file name as well here. So it's called a title bar. This is the search bar. This is sign in glyph. This is ribbon option here. If you click this one, then it will allow you to play with the ribbon option. And this is the window button, and say all the window like the minimize, maximize, the close button here. So if you come here, then this is a share option. You can directly share from here to your colleague from the share option. This is the comment option. If you are working with a share sheet, then you can key in your comments. And this is the little button, little bump is here. So it's a collapse ribbon. If you click here, then it will collapse the ribbon. And then this is column heading. So this is column heading. This is vertical scroll bar. This is called zoom control. This one view shortcut, horizontal toolbar. And this entire screen is a workbook window. And if we come here, then this uh, this area is called a status bar. And this plus sign we always use for adding a new sheet. And this is the sheets, existing sheet, and this is the sheet activator. So if we have n number of sheets, then we can play left or right with this left or right button. And other purpose of this button is, if you right click in this one, then it will list out all the sheet of this workbook. And then this one is the row heading. Then this little the small icon under the this is square box is the select all. If you click this one, then the entire cell is entire worksheet will be selected. Then this is active cell. The green color highlighted will be the active cell. And this is name box. This item is called name box. So basically this name box is used to trace the address of your cell. And there is another purpose that we will see in the upcoming slide. And then this is file button. This box is called as formula bar. Then these items are tabs. And then this is called group. And then this small button, a small icon, is a dialog launcher. If you click this one, then it will expand the window, expand all the options or the commands within this button, within this group. And then this is a individual command. And this entire item is called as ribbon. That's all. For more updates, subscribe Adilution and press bell icon. See you.